Should I talk now?
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, guys. To understand what is that your part you've done in this movie and don't release everything now. Okay? Yeah, little bit about your experience in this movie.
Okay, I don't want to reveal the story. By seeing the movie, they'll come to know what is the exact story. And we have been struggled and we have been fought for the movie also many times. And we thought it will go or fine or not, I don't know. But last moment we have been succeed. That is the one great thing. And we have been actually Sheshu has been our work for this movie. And for going to the office and coming back and again is doing this project work and fully hard work as well. The great goes to Sheshu. That is the main.
Alright, thank you so much, Kiran. Audience, please put your hands together for the Kiran. I mean, whatever he said now, a lot of hard work being through that, right? So, I would like to take your view also. What is your name, sir?
Raghav.
Raghav. Okay. So, what is your experience in this movie and what is that you've done in this movie, sir?
I just pinned few dialogues for the movie, and me and Seshu together have made the story actually. And my experience is just writing the story and dialogues and shooting. I've never been to the shooting, they have not invited me, fortunately. And I just went through a glimpse of the movie and it has come very well. And comedy by Kiran, and I know Vinod actually. Vinod has done a very good acting. Yeah, there he comes. And Seshu is the main leader for this movie. He has put in a lot of effort. We have been through rain, we've been in dust every time. We go to Hoskote, we go to Vijayanagar, each and everywhere. Even for the small gadget, we've been around for the entire city. So it's a lot of hard work we have put in, and I'm definitely sure that this movie will be a huge success. And in YouTube, it's gonna hit 1,000 marks on first week, I believe. Cheers. Talking be casual, okay. I want you all to enjoy the moment. I would like to know something about the movie from your end, your experiences. We know that you were also called a lover boy on the floor. And of course, yes you are. So we would like to know your experience in this movie. What is that you've done in this movie? Don't reveal everything. We know that we're going to watch the movie on the screen, the big screen. But we would like to know a few things about you before we release the movie.
Hi everyone. Actually, Sheshu Dan is a lot struggle on this movie, especially when it comes to its voice dubbing. Acting wise, it's okay. We done successfully, but the thing is, voice dubbing is more difficult for me and Shruti as well. And also, this movie is success for Sheshu and everyone. All the best for next movies for Sheshu. All the credit goes to Sheshu only.
Thank you. Sheshathi, we're going to talk to you at the end, but for now we're going to cover everybody here. We would like to know your experience working with you because it's so difficult to work with you, right? You have questioned them 1,000 times, isn't it? And I know that you have taken 1,000 shots, more than beyond that I believe, right? Yeah, so all the hard work and the credit goes to you. So now, who do I go check with? I think here's the smart guy in the room. We're going to check with Mr. Raman. And yes, we understand that you have done a role in this movie, right? So what is that? Would you like to share your experience with this?
First of all, I would like to thank Sheshathi for giving me the opportunity to act in this. And yeah, you can just see. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Who's the heroine by the by for this movie? Who's that?
Shruti
I'm not able to hear. Who is that?
Shruti Hassan.
Okay, people saying that Shruti, yes, it is the wonderful and the beautiful woman here. She's the heroine for this movie. We would like to hear something from her. What is that you have experienced in this movie? I'm for sure I know that people who watch this movie, they would like to fall in love, right? If not with you, at least in the loved ones. Alright, so we'd like to know your experience in this movie. Don't reveal the entire thing. We would like to sit back and watch the movie while the movie is playing.
Hi everyone. Basically, this is a story based on love. So I played a heroine character in this, and we had a very good experience during the shooting. And actually, it was very difficult actually to tell. Shooting was was very nice, but difficult part was like dubbing. So we had been to Hoskote for dubbing to Kiran's house and all. So it was very difficult for me and to travel so far and do the dubbing. So, but it was overall it was a very nice experience, and Sheshadri had played a very important role in this movie.
I think you guys deserve a wonderful big round of applause. Please put your hands together for these. Now we would like to talk to one of the choreographers of this movie, the Veerasri. We know that, when the idea had came, when the idea had come out, Sheshadri was talking to us, just a movie. We were all surprised that in this movie we're going to have some songs and dances also, right? So we would like to hear from you, your experiences in this movie, and what is that you've done in this movie.
Hi everyone. It was a great experience working in this. We had a fun a lot, and we went to office in the weekends. We had shootings in the weekends, and all the dances we practiced for a long time, and we have shooted it. It was a great fun. We enjoyed a lot over this, and I have learned many things like teaching how to dance and all. It was a great fun. Thanks Shishu for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Alright, so now we're going to check with
Actually, this is the first
fine.
thing for us. Everyone is coordinated very well, especially Sheshu. Hats off for your patience. Everything you did it too good, and my part is like I learned a lot. Example for acting, dancing, and etc. Everything, which was a learning part for me for this. And all the best for Sheshu, and all the best to everyone, co-actors. Everyone did a very good job. Thank you.
wonderful. Have you acted in this movie, Anita?
Yes.
Alright, it's a surprise for me now there. So what's your experience in this movie? Is this your baby? Yeah. Alright, so we would like to hear from you something about this movie. What is that you've done in this movie? Are you doing something in serious role in this movie?
Not serious, but a dance.
You're doing a dance in the everybody would like to know what is that you've done in this movie.
Hello everyone, I am Aarti. One day Sheshu came to me and he asked me to write a Hindi dialogue. I was shocked. Me and dialogue, it can't be happen. Then he has given me confidence, like you can do it. Then I tried, okay, let me try first. Then I wrote one dialogue and he liked that. So okay, then I started working on that, and it took me 1 week to write that dialogue, just few of the dialogues, and it was a nice experience and awesome experience. And I all the best for the all team. Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie. I want you to share your experience here and tell us what is that you done in this movie. I do not want you to share the entire thing, but at least few things which actually hit your heart. Okay? Maybe I don't know which made you to fall in love now. It can be or maybe. Okay? But for sure, I would like to hear something from your end. Here we go, Moni.
Hi everyone. First of all, I need to thank Sheshu for giving opportunity to work in this. This movie will be an interesting one, and I need to tell this movie is based on Sheshu.
Wow, this is a surprise now. Okay, go ahead. One more actor in this movie who we have not spoken yet. So I would like to call upon Satish. I would like to know a few things from you.
Basically, I'm not a choreographer. I don't know dance very well, but I try to do best. I will give this opportunity to share. Thank you, Sheshu, and all the best for your future.
We would like to watch the movie very soon. I'm already excited. Guys, sit back and relax. Relax. We're going to watch the movie. It was, and it will be, and it is a wonderful movie. Okay? And your hard work will pay you back for sure. 120% it will pay you back. At this age, if you can think about so many things, you have taken us, to situations where we have not been, and you have taken us, you have shown us that yes, this is how it is, and this is how it's gonna be. Lovely. Each and everybody in this movie have done a fabulous job, especially to the director. You have done a wonderful job. Keep it up. And for sure, if God is willing, you're going to be a very good director in the coming days, okay? And all of you, Vinod and Shruti, hats off to you. I didn't even think that you will do so many things apart from your regular work, but beautifully done, okay? And Kiran, I don't know what to say, my eyes were in tears when actually she said no to you, okay? But that's a movie, forget it, but you're gonna get somebody beautiful coming in your way, okay? And all the others, Hari, Arvind, Shamini, Veda, Arti, Vinod, Muni, and special thanks to Bharat who is not here, and Trish, you as well. Anita, it was a surprise pack when you came inside. Wonderful, okay? And I enjoyed the 45 minutes, I enjoyed, and thank you so much for inviting me here. It was my pleasure to come and be one of you all. Thank you so much. Don't stop your thoughts here, take it forward, and especially to your new friends. Thank you so much, you guys have done a great job. And Sheshadri, Mike is gonna come to you now. I think you should thank everybody who's present here for the wonderful cooperation with you. I don't know, you guys shot the movie in the rain? Yeah? Yes. And I couldn't believe when Kiran's hand was, a car went on him. I was in tears, literally I was in tears. But thank you so much. It was my pleasure to be part of this movie. And thank you once again. I'm running short of my words and I'm speechless now. Thank you so much.
I don't want to create a much hype in this film. Just watch it as a normal movie and you will experience many surprises. You all, this movie wouldn't have happened. Okay, and I thank you each and everyone for this movie happening, and I want this movie to be a memorable movie and for everyone, not only for me, and we are going to rock it, okay? Especially Vinod and Kiran. Thank you one and all for your support. But I want